right, back at it. What is going on, man? Oh man!
What's up?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, we're just out here hanging out, having fun. Today we got to run some errands. So what we're going to be doing is picking up some paint for the engine, and also getting some paint for the engine bay. Hopefully we're going to price that out and see if we're going to get that as well. Then we're going to go pick up all of our engine components, because that's ready to be picked up. So it's going to get pretty pricey today. And then we're also going to pick up a compressor. That way we can paint the engine bay. All right, guys, so we just left 4M Automotive, where we picked up our paint supplies and everything. And
Support local.
Support local, yes sir. Good guys hooked us up with some good stuff. So we're not going to show you the colors yet. We're going to try to leave that a surprise, but we got some spray paint for the engine bay. We also got the paint for, we got spray paint for the engine. We got paint for the engine bay, and then he gave us some clear coat and an activator. Yes, some stuff. But now we're heading to the machine shop, pick up our engine. All right, guys, so we just finished loading up our engine components. I think we have one-upped the process of getting car parts in the mail. What do you think?
Right?
I think so, because
get excited about getting parts in the mail. We just pick cars up at Montoya.
yeah. All right, so we got our machine parts here done at Montoya Machine Shop. Pretty cool, guys. Let me show you our engine parts in the back. So we got a bunch of stuff in that box right there. Lifters, piston rings, timing kit, a bunch of good stuff. There's our heads. There's piston and the cam in there. There's the crank, and then here's our block. We got the compressor ready to go. You're messing up the box, dude. Watch out.
Where else can I strap it down? Give it a hug or what?
Give it a hug and then hook up to the
the rack up there? That kind of?
Nah, that's not what I really had in mind.
What you have in mind, dude?
All right, guys, so we just made it back. We finished unloading all the stuff. We ended up getting some new valve covers for it.
$10,
They're
man.
new to us, at least.
Yeah,
Because one of them was chipped. The existing one that was already on the engine was chipped, and I don't think the gasket would seal properly anymore. So we got some new ones, pretty cheap. This is the whole gasket set right here.
Gaskets, man.
Yeah. You want to bust it open or what?
Bust it open.
I stay strapped with the knife, always. You know. Okay, I see the oil pan gasket already.
Yeah.
Felpro, good stuff.
Yeah.
What is that, timing cover? Maybe.
Timing, yeah,
looks like timing. Dude, all that stuff looks fragile, man.
It does. I don't want to take it all out.
Yeah. But we got that. Let's move on. Got some engine
Yeah,
bearings.
we use some of these bearings. Remember, I think one of our videos showed the wear on those things.
Yeah.
Check them out.
Nice. Those are good. We saw a little concern right now with the cam bearings on the block. They're scratched and pretty badly. A lot of people online are saying that cam bearings are pretty tolerant. What are these? These are the crankshaft bearings. All right. What do we got here?
Oh, there we go. See, piston rings.
Piston rings. There we go. Cool.
Cool.
What were these over here? These were our crankshaft bearings.
Crankshaft bearings, yeah. I thought the end ones were a lot bigger, but gotta check them out, I guess.
Yeah. Should be good. Oh, we even got an engine timing kit there.
Yes.
Oh, now there's one concern with that.
Yeah.
We got to make sure that that is actually for the engine that has a balance shaft. Because if it's not, got a little problem. What are those lifters? Oh no, that's the oil pump.
Oil pump. Remember you were talking about too, not getting a new one?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks the same.
Reuse the filter, huh?
Yeah, reuse the filter and I guess the shaft too, right?
Mm-hmm.
So much parts, man. He's already exhausted.
Yeah. Lifters. Nice and smooth, man. Nice and smooth. A lot of guys like to let these soak in oil.
Yeah. How many?
12.
We're set.
6 and 6, man.
Alright guys, so we're back here at Harbor Freight. About to get ourselves a little paint gun. Get that engine bay painted. What do you think about going with? Cheapest one or what?
30 bucks.
30 bucks?
With a gauge on it?
Oh, that one does have a gauge. Nice. What are the words telling you, man?
What's that? You want to get one of these or do you want to get
What's up?
a smaller one? No, this works. That's a good
Let's
size.
get that. That's cool. Can you see yourself spraying with that or what?
Do we really need the gauge though?
I mean, it's a nice little feature to have just to look cool, you know?
Is that everything? It feels kind of open.
Let's see. Let's check it out.
So we need to buy a valve for that.
We need a little cutler or something. Oh, it's got to be like this right here?
Yeah.
This thing? That's not it, right? It's got to be one of these or what?
We need one of these.
Damn, watch out with the Gucci glasses, dog. This fool showed up incognito. Alright, so we just left Harbor Freight. We got ourselves a little paint gun and some tools that we need. What else did we get?
A respirator.
A respirator. That way we don't breathe in all those toxins. Always fucking on that radio. What's up?
Shut the fuck. I thought we went over this already, man.
Nah, we never settled it, dog.
Want to put her out a bit? You want to spray it in here? If we spray it in here, we need to make sure that there's nothing in the way, man. Because if this shit lifts it up and it gets on the pants, it'll stay there.
What do you mean?
We need to like spray this dirt out.
Oh, yeah. You done that first. Pull it forward.
Ready?
Yeah. How far are we going out?
No more. Right there.
Perfect.
Good.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we got back from Harbor Freight. We started setting everything up. He set up the paint gun. I started cleaning everything off. Right now, he's blowing everything off with the blowgun, and we're gonna start painting pretty soon here. All right, so we're out here behind the truck. Start mixing. What are we getting first? The paint. Here it is, Grabber Blue.
Yeah, it's the first time they hear about it, right?
Yep. This is the first time we're releasing the paint code, man.
Yeah,
for the
cool.
paint.
I'll get the paint code later, but
Yeah, the paint color. I mean. But we got what is this stuff over here?
that's reducer.
This is reducer right here. ATX, I don't know. Sherwin-Williams, man. Apparently some good stuff. What are we doing? 1-to-1, right?
1-to-1.
One paint, one reducer.
24 ounces in total. Is that what that is, though?
You see? It goes to 20.
20.
Yep. Or we could just do 10 and 10. There it goes, man. We got some paint sticks. Or you think it's good?
I got some paint sticks. Yeah.
You think it's good? Dude, look at that blue,
Fucking
dog.
bright, dude.
Oh man, dude, this is hyping me up, dude. I'm
10
gonna
and
see
10
that
is
engine
going?
bay. 1-to-1.
Getting ready to. Yeah. That's 10.
Yeah, so we picked up this paint gun from Harbor Freight. $30 paint gun. Comes with a little gauge on it. Pretty cool.
20, right?
20.
Check it out. Double check it, man. You good?
That's it, 20.
I'll break this in half. So
Alright.
extra.
There you go. Make it last.
Get your gloves on.
All right. Let's get this started.
All right. Ready or what? Go for it, dude. Little heart's desire, man.
Perfect.
Second coat coming up. Coat number 4 now. I mean 3. I don't shoot the coat. Back at it one more time. I think we're about to hit coat 5. Let's do this. Legitimate.
Just because this guy beats a V6 Mustang, he thinks he's fucking.
Top dog,
He
dog.
thinks he's flexing this shit over here.
I'm top dog, dog. Been top dog since '93. All right, guys. So it's getting dark here, but we're still committed, and we got to put the clear coat on still. So we got a little light out here that's gonna help us out. But right now, what we're doing is cleaning the paint gun, and we're gonna put some clear coat in it, and then we're gonna try to get it all cleared up. But right now, we're just letting it dry, not fully dry, but letting it kind of get nice and tacky. And that way the clear coat will stick nice to it.
Alright, just so y'all know, man, the clear goes 4-to-1. So you're gonna put 16 of clear, you gotta put 20 activator.
Bruh.
So 4 activator. Hey, that fucking paint got me all twisted, man. Damn, dog. You got a break.
All right, so we're mixing up the clear right now. It's been about 20, what, like 25, 26 minutes right now. You know what you're doing?
Of course, man. I took half a semester on this.
Yeah. Clear coat time. You got it?
Oh, you want me to spring first or what?
If you want, I thought you were. I'm gonna stay away from that. I'm gonna stay away from the clear.
Let me show you what half a semester of auto body courses did.
A lot of bugs. The light, dude.
The light? You want me to try to take it off?
Nope, don't do it, man.
Yeah, you're right.
Don't do it.
You hear this guy bossing me around?
Get to work, dog.
I leave for 2 seconds and this guy's over here bossing.
Get to work, dog.
Yeah, dog.
I don't pay you by the hour for nothing, dog.
Hey, this guy, you know what? Sell the truck, guys. This build's over.
It's got a very thin fan, man, so. Here we go again. Let's do it. That's it. That is a wrap. That's it, though, guys. That's it for tonight, man. We're going to call it a night.
Bro, put me in the light, bro.
And
it's embarrassing.
All right, man.
End of the vid, bro.
That's it, guys. We got the engine bay painted. Now it's next. Just let it dry and start working on the engine.
Yep. We gotta make some room in the garage.
Man.
It's good, man. It came out good.
Opinion. 1 out of 10. What's the score?
About an 8. Yeah, about an 8, dog.
Depressing, dog.
Nah, it's good,
This fool's
man.
depressed, man. This guy's depressed. See what I gotta deal with on a daily basis?
Hey, I'm telling you, man.
This guy's depressed.
Somebody's gotta be hard on you, bro.
I think it came out good, man.
I think so too, man.
I think it came out solid.
You just need to grow some technique, man.
Look at this guy over here. Oh.
Why are you moping, man?
Cause of you, dog.
What am
You're
I
all sad and
doing?
shit.
What you want me to do, man? Damn. I don't have. You know what it is? You know what it is? I don't have my hat on today, dog.
Oh, yes, that's what it is.
I'm not
yep.
feeling original right now.
Yep. This guy forgot his brain. We're not really gonna do much. Probably just let this kind of cure for a little bit more. We got to get some bolts for the camshaft retainer or camshaft thrust plate, whatever you want to call it. Got those on order, and once we get those, we'll start putting the engine back together. The reason we won't, I mean, I guess we could put like the other stuff, like the crankshaft and the pistons.
You just don't want to work today. So.
Nah, that's one point. But the other point too is that because we saw some of the camshaft bearings, right? They got some scratches on them. Yeah. So we want to install that first to make sure that it's going to spin with no resistance. That way we know that we don't have to take the block back to the machine shop and get it worked on again. Yeah. And then after that, just go full force. But mainly because I don't want to work today.
Yeah, pretty much.
But yeah, that's going to be it. We're going to end off the video here. And, you know, as always, hit that like button. Also, comment down below what you think about the Grabber Blue on the Chevy C1500. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Later.